Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for Shuffler. Now today and up to the 30th of September midnight is the last chance you can get to claim all my bonus packs for September. Now we've had some amazing bonus packs in September and it's probably been my best month for bonuses in 2020. Now if you've already purchased two bonus packs in September, you already have access to the Shuffler bonuses plus all my bonuses for September as well. All you need to do is open a support ticket with the two purchase receipt emails and my team will get you set up with everything you need. Now, if you've only purchased one bonus product in September, then today and up to the 30th September midnight is the last chance you get to lock all our bonuses in for September. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to jump across onto the bonus page so you can see exactly the bonuses you're going to get for Shuffler, plus a review of each of the bonus packs we had in September. And then I'm going to jump across into Shuffler so you can see how amazing this app is. It actually has access to billions of combinations of different funnels, different headlines, different colors. I'm going to show you how it works and how good it is and how easy it is to set up multiple different squeeze pages with multiple different products in that funnel and collect the emails as well. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, here we are on the bonus page for Shuffler. Now the first bonus for this month was the Doodle Maker bonus. That included 76 different bonuses and it included 65 reseller packages. And it also had two premium reseller packages which included Funnels Kit and the Affiliate Video Project. Now also you've got access to the link rotator as well. So remember, that is an amazing bonus. If you missed out on that, that is one that you should be locking in. And so if you buy Shuffler, you will get that as well if you only purchase one product this month. Then we've got the Stock Rush bonus that included 29 different bonuses. It included access to the brand new Profile Push app with resellers and another 4 reseller packs as well, plus the Done For You agency system. So again, an amazing bonus package. And the last one was the Viral Leads Funnel bonus, which included 26 different bonuses. That included the Done For You viral lead funnels and the commercial license as well, plus the Auto Social Build tool with all the add-ons, and then there's 2 brand new reseller packs as well. So huge bonus packs and some amazing bonuses in there. Now including today's bonuses, the Shuffler bonuses, you've got access to over 160 bonuses. So you've got the Social Package Special, which includes Spy Track and Social Studio. You've got the Social Drive 2020, you've got the Create Mobile Agency, you've got the Create Mobile Agency Reseller, plus Mobile Profit Simplified, Mobile Profit Simplified Reseller, Online King with the 6 sites as well. Then you've got all these other great bonuses as well here, as you see, go down and down. Some real great bonuses, as you can see. Let's go right down. So you've got 160 bonuses if you've only purchased one this month. If you purchase one more, you get 160 bonuses. So it's a great offer, it really is. So don't miss out on it. And Shuffler is an amazing product, which I'm going to give you a full review of now. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Hi guys, and welcome to the dashboard for Shuffler. Now Shuffler consists of a couple of different parts, so I'm going to show you them all separately. Now first, this is the Shuffler dashboard where you can create your funnels. Now first, when you first come in, you'll see this blank page with click Shuffle It button to generate a preview of your very own unique funnel. So just click Shuffle It and the first funnel will drop in. Now what you need to do is, if you don't like that, you can just click Shuffle It again and you can see everything changes. Now for example, if you like this headline here and you want to keep that headline, so you could put freeze headline, but you don't like the background, you don't like the colors, so you can just click Shuffle It again. You can see the headline stays, the rest shuffles. So if you like the arrow, this purple arrow, freeze that, but you want a black headline, again just click Shuffle It. as you can see, all changes. And you've got multiple different kind of combinations. It's actually millions if you went through, and they all have different products on the back end. Now if you want to use this funnel, let's just shuffle it once more, and again, quite nice. If I wanted to use this one, I just click keep it. So what I need to do then is, as you can see here, you've got a featured offer, you've got a continue offer, you've got the headline text, and you've got the bonus page. Now my ClickBank ID is already built in. I've already added that to the settings, which you do when you first go in, but you can actually change these around if you want. So the continue offer, rather than using their continue offer, you could add one of your own continue offer on there. So for example, with some of my bonus packs for this month, we had all those reseller packs, 65 I think, well altogether, I think there's altogether about well over 70 reseller packs. So you could create those, get them online and put those there instead, so you're getting 100% of that income rather than just 50% as an affiliate. So this has been created. So if you want to change this, to one of the reseller packs, you just add a link in there, just click update my offer, and then that will be updated. If you want to show the bonus page, which I'm going to show you in a moment, you can turn that on or off. Then to use that, just copy. So it's been successfully copied. Then let's paste it. Let's go to an incognito window. I'm going to show you how that looks. Okay, so this is how the page looks. Looks really nice. Now I'm just going to put a test email in here. So let's put in test at online success model. So this would be one of your leads that's coming in. So click free access, and this is what your lead will see. Now here, as you can see here, these are free lists. So when your kind of referral comes in, if they click here, they'll be added to other lists as well. But what happens then is, I'm going to show you in a moment, you get free lists into your account as well. We'll come back to that in a moment. So then is a free bonus offer here. Again, you get paid for this. So if they sign up there, you get paid. Then if they click here, continue, activate now, it's free. Just close these off a second. Now they go into their back office of Shuffler. Okay, so this is their back office, but if you notice something, Shuffler, the Shuffler system is actually missing. But if you click on your funnels, this is your leads funnels. What these funnels are, these are actually the funnels that you create, so they can only share your funnels. To activate, the kind of Shuffler system and everything, they need to activate it via here. So they then will be able to claim their Shuffler system. They will be then able to claim the 100% income, all that kind of stuff. But when they do that, you get paid. So you're referring free leads, and for them to activate the whole system, they need to activate their copy of Shuffler, so you get paid on that. So that's the bonus section, that's the extra Shuffler section. But just let me close this off a second. I will jump back to Shuffler. Right, let me shuffle another funnel. We'll use this one. We'll freeze the background, and we'll shuffle again. Okay, we'll keep that one. We'll just click keep it. So this is a brand new one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the bonus page. So I'm going to update that. So I'm going to copy that URL again. So I'm going to go back to an incognito window. So let's put a new test email in here. So I'll put in test 99 at online successmodel.com. Click free access, and you'll see this page looks different to the one we looked at before, because this skips the bonus section. So you don't get that bonus section in between it. So this just goes directly to the product, and this is the ClickBank products that you get paid on. So everything you see here and everything you generate in these funnels, you're being paid on. It's all done for you, kind of thing. Now, I mentioned the free leads. If you can see here, it says list pool status active. Now what happens is when people join on those 4 lead sections I showed you, it goes into a list pool and it gets shared out amongst everyone's shufflers. And if you're active there, you will get free leads. Now, obviously all these autoresponders, just click your funnels and you can connect all your different autoresponders up here. So there's different kind of funnels inside. You've got internet marketing funnels, self-help funnels, health and fitness. All you need to do, click to open and just connect these here. So you've got Shuffler storage, so you connect them directly up to Shuffler, Aweber, Get Response, Go, Gvo, MailChimp and Traffic Wave. And you can connect those all up to the different ones. So if you wanted to do kind of different niche, make sure those are connected there. Then you've got email ads, you've got banner ads, you can invite Facebook friends, Facebook ads, you can invite Twitter followers, invite YouTube subscribers. So it's a nice little app and it creates all those different funnels with everything done for you on the funnel inside. And if you activate that bonus section, now a lot of people are going to go inside Shuffler and start using those funnels. They're either going to use your funnels if they don't upgrade, or if they upgrade, you're going to get paid. So it's a nice app and it works very well. And remember, you can add all my reseller products into those funnels as well. So if you create all those different reseller funnels, you can add them in as well to create even more income, what you're going to get paid 100% of. So great little app, but remember, if you want all my bonuses for September, then you need to purchase Shuffler if you've only purchased one product in September. So thanks for watching. Watch out for the next video.